Check out this 1969 Oldsmobile 442. This is a really nice original car. Looks to me to have one repaint in the original color, code 57 jade green, factory tan interior with bucket seats, original numbers matching 400 and a 4-speed. Just what a 442 should be. 400 4-speed, bucket seats, dual exhaust. Look at the dual exhaust there. She sounds awesome. Down the side, just a very nice car all around. You will find imperfections, painted probably 10 years ago, but a super clean, super great running, real 69 442. Power steering, power brakes, center console, bucket seats, everything you want in a 442. It's even got, if I'm not mistaken, the gauges, got the 442 rally gauges, all documentation for the car. Check this out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Even the stripes are original. Came with the jade metallic green and the ivory stripes.